It's not the right day for this, is it?
Good.
What time's high tide?
9:20.
Oh, it's still coming in.
All right. Yeah, it's 9:05. Those two.
I'm sure they'd like me videoing. I'm sure they'd really appreciate it.
Any lines on
What do they do for the cradle underneath it?
Yeah. Well, strops.
Strops.
Yeah.
Yeah, big broad bands of nylon.
It's the viewing gallery.
Do you know if it's springs or leaps?
Springs.
I
I think there's springs under the boat the way it's jumping up and down.
I see.
It was full moon last week though, wasn't it? I think it's probably leaps.
We used to lift out on springs.
God, look at the way they're crashing against each other.
Those two
there.
crashing together though.
One's got damage.
Well, they've got plenty of fenders between them.
Quite close to the blue one and the white one, aren't they?
It was this one that was the worst because it was heading towards the
Yes.
Collins
Yeah.
bow.
Yeah.
They've stood her off now. It just shows you, I mean, he's got very firm fixings for his mast.
I hope he's got a life jacket on. I don't think he has.
Neither of them have, do they?
No.
It's going to ease up. I guess that's what we're hoping.